guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make an aesthetic thumbnail by using PHONTO. Let's get started. So first you will need to open camera and take a photo of your thumbnail. Take your picture far away because you're gonna need to crop it later. Take at least 2 photos just in case if one is blurry or etc. Now go into PicStart, not PHONTO yet. Then click See All. Most important part is click Fit. Now click 16.9, which is the YouTube thumbnail size. If you don't, your thumbnail won't fit. Match by zooming in. Now click Apply of the top right corner. Now click Save. Done. Now go into PHONTO, click the camera sign. Click Photo Albums and give access to all photos. Click the picture. And if you want, you can add some aesthetic filters like Highlight, Shadow, Adjust. Click Done. Now click anywhere on the photo to add a text. The aesthetic font is called Helvetica Bold Italic, spelt it wrong. Click it to adjust the size. Add lots of colors. On every text, add a shadow to make it look realistic, shown here. Make the letters spaced to get a better effect. You can add as many texts as you want. Make sure you add asterisk asterisk at the start and ending of your texts. If you want it to look more aesthetic, add a curve. Remember to add images. You can only add images in PicStart, sadly not in PHONTO. I'm gonna show you to add photos now. So search the image. And add to photos. Now crop the photo. Remember to save your PHONTO thumbnail. Click the arrow at the bottom and click Save to Photos. Now go into PicStart and get your thumbnail. Now get your other photo by clicking Add Images. Now click Crop and outline the image. This part is optional. Click Save. Add shadow and that's it. Click Apply and Save. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.